Children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 18, lesson number 2. Describing a fun trip. Okay, children? Keywords are trip. Okay, whenever I will ask you about fun trip, what comes to your mind, children? The time you have spent with your family. Yes, you have visited, for example, zoo. So all those things will come to your mind. Okay, so now long back you went to zoo. Now you want to describe it. How you will describe? What words we will use? We will use past tense words because you have visited the zoo long back, some time ago. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now in our workbook page number 12, S3, here one paragraph is given, children, that I will read the paragraph for you all. Okay, my visit to the zoo. Topic, sentence. Okay, last Saturday I spent the day at the zoo in Delhi. I went with my father, mother and brother. We bought the entry tickets when we reached the entrance. My brother and I were very excited. We saw many animals. Some of them were dangerous, but some looked very cute. I asked my father to take pictures. In the afternoon, we ate lunch in the restaurant. After that, we saw the reptiles and watched the bird show. The birds were very colorful. I learned the names of many new birds. I had fun at the zoo. It was my favorite trip. So whenever we want to describe about a trip where we went, so we will use all these words. In this paragraph, we have words that are telling us about the things happened in the past. Okay, ed words were there, no? I explained you in the first lesson. Ed words means where we will add ed words in the past tense form. Last Saturday means the trip, you went to trip last Saturday. Okay, children, all of you must read this paragraph, children. Okay, here we have so many past tense words in the paragraph. Whenever we are telling the thing which happened before, long back, so we will use past tense words. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now first question is, where did you go? If you read this paragraph, okay, so where did you go means what answer you will write? I go. Go means here in answer we have to write past tense. Okay, so I went will come, children. I went to zoo. Okay, children, fine. Now second question, when did you go? So here again we will write I went. When means we have to mention the time, the day. Okay, I went last Saturday. If you read the paragraph, you will get these answers. Okay, children, fine. I went last Saturday. C bit question. Who went with you? Okay, if you read this paragraph, who went with you? My mother, father and brother. So answer will be I went with my father, mother and brother. Okay, children, these questions are helping us to know more about, okay, that fun trip. If you want to know more about any place or you want to know where your friend went, so all these questions you can ask, children. Where did you go? So I went to zoo will be the answer. Here we have to use all past tense only because this trip is finished now, children. Long back we went to zoo. Okay, when did you go? So exact time, day will be knowing if we ask this question. Okay, who went with you? So how many members went, to who all came to the trip, like that you can ask. Okay, children, till here clear? Yes, children, now all of you all open your workbook, children, page number 11. Write the date. S2, describing a fun trip. Yes, children, first one is, think of a fun trip you took, answer the questions. So what fun trip I told you? Okay children, what I have explained you from S3 we have taken. According to that only we will write the answers. If you want to take another trip children where you went, then answers will be changing. Okay, if you want to write your own answers according to the fun trip you went, you can write children. If not, you can write the answers what I am showing you. Okay children, first one, where did you go? So what will be the answer? I went to the zoo. B bit. When did you go? I went last Saturday. Third one. Who went with you? I went with my father, mother and brother. Okay children. Now come to the second bit children. Okay. Second bit, write 4 things that you saw and did there. All these answers I have taken from the S3 paragraph what I have read in the beginning of the lesson. Yes children, all these answers, any 4 things we have to write here. Okay, we first bought the tickets and saw many animals. Then we took pictures and ate lunch at a restaurant. Finally, we saw the reptiles and watched the bird show and came back home. Okay children, buy, here we are using past tense bought. See, saw. Okay. Take, took. Eat, ate. Because this story happened long back and we are telling the story. So we will use all past tense words. Here also we have see, saw we wrote. Okay. Watch, watched. Okay children, come, came. Fine. This is the second question. Let me show you the third one children. How did you feel about the trip? Yes children, whenever we'll go to trips, picnics, how do we feel? I had fun at the zoo. This answer we got from the paragraph, from S3 paragraph. And then any trip you will go, how you will feel children? I enjoyed the trip with my family. Or picnic, if it is a school picnic, you will enjoy the trip with your friends. Okay, this is about the trip children, describing a fun trip that you have to imagine. You went with your family or friends children, any trip, okay, that you have to imagine, and then you will get the answers children. Please read the paragraph from S3. Okay children, 2 times if you read, you will be perfect in your reading and you will understand better. Okay children, thank you. Take care. Meet you in the next class.